is a no disqualifications match. Making his way to the ring from Glens Falls, New York, weighing in at 220 pounds, Neil.
Guys, we have two of WWE's most exciting superstars ready to square off here.
And there's nothing quite like seeing two superstars settling it in the ring in one-on-one action, Michael.
Get ready, guys. Big-time singles matches coming up here.
And I can assure you these two superstars have been waiting all day to get their hands on each other.
And we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
Here we go.
He goes for the cover. Very curious move to go for a pinfall at this point.
Wow, what a display of heart and determination.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Toss to the outside.
Oof. Oh, nasty elbow.
Another one. This can go a variety of different ways, Corey.
And almost none of them are good. Oof, right to the back.
Bringing it back into the ring. He's looking at it.
Beautiful technique.
An A-to-pin attempt. He's got plenty of gas left in the tank.
This might be it. Oh, my. I'm not sure how much he has left.
Not yet. Here he goes. His shoulders are down. Easily kicks out of that one.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what impact.
impact.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Now the old vicious head crank.
Look at the torque.
Oh, continuing to punish them. Into the quick cover. He's got some fight left in him.
Remarkable.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. He's going to have to cut off his opponent's offense quickly.
He's doing exactly what he didn't want to do here. He's letting his opponent right back into this match. Oh boy, he is rolling.
That running knee.
Right between the shoulder blades.
You got to believe this one's over. He might have it.
Oh, nasty impact.
But did he go for it too early?
Nobody's surprised.
Yeah, it's going to take more than that to keep him down.
He knows he's in trouble.
Here we go.
Boom! A knee right to the face.
He's really looking to prove a point here.
He's got him covered. And the shoulder's up in time.
Yeah, it's going to take more than that.
Boom! Not so fast. Oh, right to the body. That hurt. You got to wear your opponent down. Find that little weakness that could help you end up with a victory. He's got the shoulders down. Big boot. What is keeping this competitor going?
There is no quit in this man tonight.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Big time slam. Vicious. He's looking at it. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Now it's time to capitalize.
He's going for the pin. 2. And there's a kick out at 2.
Just powered out. And the slam.
Can he score the pin?
Maybe.
And I can't believe this match is still going on.
Not yet.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Putting it all on the line. When this guy's on, look out. He's playing with him now.
Lands this, and he is done.
From
Game, set, match. This one is over.
You gotta believe this one's over. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Look out! Oh, from the top! Now the old vicious head crank.
Look at the torque.
Oh, my goodness, this hurts. Oh, he's got the shoulders down. 2. True testament to grit.
I can't believe what we're seeing here.
Effectively using the knee.
That should do it right there.
2. And he got a near fall out of it.
He's still in this.
Uh-oh, he's in trouble here.
Here we go. That'll hinder your modeling career.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
His shoulders are down. 1, 2. Never say die attitude out of him.
This is amazing. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Oh, there's more in their arsenal, I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it. Boom!
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that. Uh-oh.
I'm afraid to think what's going to happen next.
Beautiful technique.
Well, that'll do some serious damage. He's not going to like this.
Here we go.
Oh, a knee right to the face.
That knee is a lethal weapon. That has got to be it.
He's got him covered. 1, 2, 3. There's the pinfall and the victory. Now let's look back at that amazing action.
Hope everybody at home set those DVRs because that was a match you're going to want to watch again and again and again. Epic. That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance. There's good, there's great, and then there's downright unbelievable WWE action. Ladies and gentlemen, you just got a taste of the unbelievable kind.
Gonna feel the effects of this win for a while.
These guys look like a couple of hosses going at it out there. Great match.